Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts, your Madison and Goodlettsville Chiropractor, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple keto-friendly snack that takes less than 10 minutes, and it only takes 2 ingredients. We have grated Parmesan cheese, I'll link a description in the box below, and dried basil as well. You can find this in any grocery store. So this is all it takes less than 10 minutes, it's super keto-friendly. We're going to show you how to make it right now. Okay, so here's how we're going to make the Parmesan Cheese Crisps. First, you need a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And like I said, guys, in the beginning, there's only 2 simple ingredients, Parmesan cheese and dried basil. So for the Parmesan cheese, you're going to need 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of basil. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just take the grated cheese, take a little pinch, put it on the cookie sheet just like that, small little circle. And you're going to do this over and over and over. Okay, and next we're going to add the basil, just a little pinch in the middle, make like a little nest, and each one, and just repeat over and over, and that's it. Once we're done doing this, we're going to pop this in the oven, 350 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. Check every once in a while. They are done when they're golden brown. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. All right, guys, these Parmesan Cheese Crisps are done. We had these in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. After you take them out, just let them cool for a little bit. And the nice thing about having these on parchment paper, you don't have to worry about them sticking to the pan. You can literally just grab it with your hand and it'll slide right off. These are super crunchy, super crispy. Hopefully you can see those on there. Guys, this is a perfect go-to snack when you're craving that like potato chip or that cracker. This is going to be a perfect substitute for that, and it is absolutely keto friendly, and it's Dr. Roberts approved. Guys, we will see you next time. I can't wait for the next video to show you some keto friendly recipes. God bless.